Huh?
What are you doing?
I cut the egg.
You cracked the eggs? Why? Why? Why are you cracking the eggs? It's cracked already, Zahara. Put it back, nagkakalat ka lang. Di yan, mami galit? Zahara? Hoy! Daddy, kunin mo yung pamalo ko. You want mami galit? Put it back, nagkakalat ka lang. Good girl. If you want to crack the egg, put it here. Put it here. Huwag kang magkalat, okay? Okay po. I need an answer. Okay po? What?
Okay, go on.
Alright. You look like your daddy with no nose. Ah, yikes!
It's a egg.
It's not yikes. Ew!
One?
Yeah. Looks like sipon.
Man mo ko. Ano na ba?
May sipong ka na.
May sipon daw siya. Yes, daddy for help.
Hey.
Blow your
Lakas.
nose.
Lakas.
Lakas mo.
Lakas.
Yan.
Lakas pa.
One more. Wala ka nang ilong, sinipong ka pa. Wow. Are you going to eat that? Smash mo yan. Smash mo yan. Like this, ah. Smash them. All troops.
Your boy.
First skill.
Daddy.
You're still cracking it.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
You like it? You like it, Zay? Finish mo yan, ha?
Happy na.
No, no finish.